Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube earnings without monetization. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, if your channel is not monetized, you can still check whether your videos are generating any revenue opportunities, but you won't see actual ad earnings because YouTube only pays creators enrolled in the YouTube partner program. So there's a couple of different ways how we can check the earnings without this monetization. So method is number one is by installing a extension called vidIQ for Chrome. So once we go ahead and install it, we want to go ahead and obviously enable it. And then from here, we can go ahead and check out the channel data. Now, just depending of how small your channel is. So it says here on this creator, channel data is not yet available. We're still expanding coverage for smaller channels and short channels. Please check back soon. So that's one way. Another way is to go ahead and get that channel link and then go over to Social Blade. Now, what we want to do is paste in the link here. And then if we go to the results, click on the creator's username, and we're going to see a daily estimated earnings. So Social Blade's quite almost is accurate because I've compared this to my own channel, and it's generally on the upper estimates on this side here for how-to channels. So you can see this channel, this is not monetized. It's only got, was it 900 subscribers, 980 subscribers, so not monetized yet. But on Social Blade, they're saying they're getting between $0 and $8 daily for their view count. So this channel is going to about 1,500 to 2,000 views a day, and that's generating anywhere from $0 to $8. But like I said, it's generally on the high end of the earnings tab here.